drug problem in Vietnam is more than marijuana. At this point, it is estimated that 1/3 of American troops are experimenting with opium and heroin.
The authorities say they've confiscated large quantities of marijuana, heroin, and pills. Every person and every vehicle going through the gates is subject to a thorough shakedown.
Make it hurt. I'm the man with a lot of work. I'm on the block though. Me, I don't gotta work. My trade A jerk. At night, my niggas lurk. The sky perp, divide the work and go berserk. That's dessert. Cherry on top of the whipped cream. Put the sack on top of the triple beam. Since 15, it was all about a dream. Used to read Word Up magazine and scheme. Now the driver's seat lane, supreme. These cats can't touch my team. Nah, I mean, they not me. Motherfuckers is knock knee. And getting locked is some shit that I do not need. That poppy seed, supply the weed and dog food. Shit'll have you drunk, passed out on your bar stool. Better carpool, shit sharp like harpoon. Get rich like Scrooge McDuck in the cartoons. Yo, I walk in the mansion, I'm thinking expansion. Y'all singing and dancing, smooth assassin. I'm all about that action. Soldiers pay taxes, big knives and ratchets. This is us, and God we trust. That gun bust, we get a rush. What? This is us, and God we trust. That gun bust, we get a rush. What? I talk about the plugs, I talk about the drugs, I talk about the thugs, talk about the slugs. Warned y'all, these niggas know I got it out the mud. My pops wasn't there, so I couldn't get a hug. Fake fives, fake hugs, sharp knives and guns. Moms love me, the block raised the son. Stepped up, became a man before this man could stand. It was God's plan, Allah does what Allah can. Man, this shit goes hand in hand. Draw a line in the sand, the skin was tan. Your brain on drugs like eggs in a frying pan. Still in my prime like Ghostface and Iron Man. A dying breed, real ones succeed. Beggars can't be choosers, losers can't lead. This is all I need, a fire beat and fire tree. I'm like Iceman Kalinsky, hire me. Yo, I walk in the mansion, I'm thinking expansion. Y'all singing and dancing, smooth assassin. I'm all about that action. Soldiers pay taxes, big knives and ratchets. This is us, and God we trust. That gun bust, we get a rush. What? This is us, and God we trust. That gun bust, we get a rush. What?
Soldiers have access to drugs at many rest and relaxation spots in Bangkok, Saigon, and other areas throughout Vietnam and Thailand. Officials say the easy availability, relatively cheap cost, and high purity of heroin throughout Saigon and the Far East is leading to an epidemic of heroin addiction among U.S.